Tuka Mwihoko
ni umwe thutha wongi munini ona kana munene mokite kwirorera kiundu aingi marauga matari mona ari ni ndege gwirire nyumba mieneo ya Mwihoko Githurai kaunti-ini ya Kiambu. Ndege iria iguthiaga mwena wa Somalia ikuite marigitari muthemba wa Cessna Citation XLS rungu rwa Amref Flying Doctors. Kuringana na County Commissioner wa Kiambu, andu 6 nio marikitie kuhuruka na angi eri aria magiire nguraro makiguthukio thibitari niguo kwamukira urigiti wa naihenya.
6 dead. Yes, 2 doctors, 2 nurses, of course with the pilot. You can see the wreckages. The aircraft was being piloted, right? Yeah, so that's what has happened. And then 2 on the ground. You can see on the house, it landed fatally on the house. You can see serious injuries. We have already evacuated the seriously injured to hospital to be attended to.
How many were injured?
The ones who were injured. The ones seriously injured 2. Unless we confirm otherwise.
Tugakihoka ni magutwika a kuhona na waria mahurukire mahuruke thayo nake Ngai omiririe family ciao. Maundu mari gukinya hau ni ndaumiria.